What is affiliate marketing? So, by definition, affiliate marketing is a performance based marketing strategy where individuals or affiliates earn commissions for promoting a company's products or services. It gets tracked through links and they get paid for generating leads or sales. It benefits the affiliate marketer because they don't have to have risk of holding product, and it benefits the business because they only have to pay for the sales or leads generated. They don't have to pay any unnecessary marketing expenses. Like I said before, it is done through either trackable links or storefronts. TikTok and Amazon, I believe, have storefronts available. The only other company I know of that has storefronts available is Sephora, although I'm not a shopper at Sephora. I don't know if you can tell that or not. Amazon still seems to be the most popular way of affiliate marketing, but the TikTok storefront and TikTok links have seemed to be gaining popularity as well. Software is what gives you the highest commission because software is a higher profit margin. The best way to do affiliate marketing is to have a good following and have authority in your space as well. There are lots of people out there that are making lots of money off of affiliate marketing, but there's also lots of gurus out there claiming that they're making a lot of money. So I'm not going to put any numbers up there because I don't know what's authentic and what's not. If you like this type of content, like and subscribe for more. Have a great day.